Hi Sarah, how are you today?
I'm fine.
So I was speaking to your teachers and your parents. They were
Mhm.
telling me all kinds of great things about you. They were telling me that you love to play outside, you love being social and playing with your friends and riding your bike, and that you're really good at art and drawing and making things with your hands.
Mhm.
But they're also telling me that sometimes you find math a little
I
hard.
hate math.
Yeah. So, with your permission today, we're going to do some activities together. And these activities are going to help Miss Sydney and I and your parents kind of prepare for your learning and help you like math a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay? So, these activities, I do these activities with all of the students that I work with, meaning I do them with really young kids and really old kids. So, some of the questions are going to be a little bit hard, but some of them are going to be easy as well.
Okay.
Okay? All you have to do is try your best.
I can do that.
Okay?
Mhm.
So, do you have any questions before we get started?
How long is it going to be?
Um, it'll probably be about an hour.
Oh.
And if you need a break, we can take breaks every once in a while.
Okay.
So, when rounded to the nearest 10, which two numbers round to 70?
68 and 73.
How many sets of 10 are in 120?
12.
Each green flat has 100 cubes. Each red stack has 10 cubes. How many cubes are there altogether?
243.
Use the clues to find which number I'm thinking about. It's less than 330, it's an odd number, and it's greater than 300. Which number am I thinking about?
305.
This expanded notation is 5,316. Which number is represented in this expanded form?
5047.
Use these four digits to make a number that has a value between the two numbers below. It's okay to rearrange the digits.
Um, 4,258.
Here's a newspaper advertisement. Great new video game. 125% of all customers who bought it agree. Why is this ad not true?
Because you can't have a percent higher than 100.
What percentage of the large square is red?
One, oh, 25%.
The green cube is what fraction of the group of solids?
1/6.
What fraction of the rectangle is yellow?
1/6.
Name or point to the decimals in order from least to greatest.
1.125, 2.09, 2.34, 4.1.
Simplify 4/10.
2/5.
You're working very hard, Sarah. Name or point to the integers in order from least to greatest.
-5, -2, +1, +4.
There are 100 squares in the grid. What decimal value does the orange portion of the entire grid represent?
What decimal? Is that
Tell me the number as a decimal.
43?
Tell me the number as a decimal.
43.0.
What fraction has the same value as the decimal in the box? Give it a try.
7/14.
The blue arrow is pointing to a value between 0 and 1 on the number line. Which decimal is nearest to that value?
Decimal 63.
About how many more people live in Halifax than in Victoria?
About 50,000.
Nine-fourths equals what mixed number?
Um, 2. Decimal 1. 2.1.
Read the fractions in order from least to greatest.
Okay. 1/2, 2/5, 3/4, 1/9.
Here are 50 stamps. Mr. Champion bought 40% of these stamps. Here are 50 stamps. Mr. Chapin bought 40% of these stamps. How many stamps did he buy?
40% of 50. 20.
Which two expressions are equal to 4 to the third power?
B.
Can you give me two expressions?
Oh, 2. B and D.
Here are the prime factor tree for 130. What are the three prime factors?
5, 5, 13.
At store A, the price of this computer is 4/5 of $1,000. At store B, the price is 20% less than $1,000. Is the price of the computer at store A less than, greater than, or the same price at store B?
Same.
What is 1% of 700?
100.
Give me two different mixed numbers that add together to make 5.
2 plus 3.
Which value is
God.
nearest to the square root of 68?
A.
The large square is divided into 4 small squares of the same size. Each of these small squares is divided into smaller sections. What fraction of a large square is yellow?
I have no idea. 1.
Give it a try.
1/12.
What is the slope of the line?
I don't know. What is the slope of the line? I have no idea.
One box holds 6 cans of beans. Which expression would you use to find the number of cans of beans in 9 boxes?
One box holds 6. 9 boxes holds. The middle one, 1/6 equals 9 over